If you turn over a raspberry leaf, you'll notice something unexpected. The underside often looks pale silver or almost white. This isn't accidental, because the silver colour comes from tiny fine hairs covering the lower surface of the leaf. These hairs help the plant in several clever ways. Firstly, they reflect excess sunlight and reduce water loss during hot weather. Second, they create a protective barrier against insects and fungal problems. And third, they help trap a thin layer of moisture-rich air close to the leaf surface. This small adaptation allows raspberries to survive changing weather conditions more easily. On windy days, the leaves often flip and shimmer silver in the sunlight, giving raspberry patches their beautiful flickering appearance. For gardeners, those silver undersides can also help identify raspberry plants even before fruit appears. In folklore, raspberry plants were often associated with protection and abundance because they spread generously and produce sweet fruit year after year. And hidden beneath each leaf is a perfect little survival trick that's shaped by nature.